Chapter 2. Computer and its components. Learning objectives. After completing this chapter, you will be able to understand the uses of computer devices, learn about some basic input devices, learn about some basic output devices, learn about commonly used storage devices. Hello friends, now we will learn about computer and its components. Can you read out a rhyme like you did before? Input, output, storage unite, data flows day and night. Computer system. The word computer comes from the term compute, which means to calculate or count. A computer is also called a computer system, which is a combination of hardware and software components. These two components work together to perform a task. Output device, speakers. Processing unit, CPU. Output device, monitor. Output device, printer. Input device, mouse. Input device, keyboard. How does a computer work? The working of a computer is based on the following principle. Input, process, output. 1. Computer accepts data in the form of input. 2. It processes the data as per requirement or instructions. 3. It shows the result in the form of output. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Update your knowledge. Data is a collection of raw, unorganized facts that include numbers, letters and images. Making orange juice, using a juicer. Oranges, input. Juicer, processing. Orange juice, output. Put oranges in the juicer. Input. Juicer makes juice from oranges. Processing. We get orange juice. Output. Grilling a bread, using a toaster. Bread, input. Toaster, processing. Toast, output. The working of a computer can also be shown in the form of a block diagram. User. Input unit. Data. Processing unit. Information. Output unit. This is how a computer works, and it is also known as IPO cycle. Hardware. All the physical parts that are attached to a computer are called hardware. You can touch the hardware. Hardware includes components like input devices, processing device, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices. The data and instructions that we enter into the computer are called input. The devices that help in entering these data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. Some basic input devices are keyboard. A keyboard is an input device which is used to enter or type letters, words and numbers into the computer. Mouse. A mouse is an input device which is used to draw pictures and select objects on the monitor. It is also known as pointing device. Joystick. A joystick is an input device which is used to play games on the computer. Microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice and send it into a computer. Scanner. A scanner is an input device which is used to scan the images and send them to a computer. Processing device. After getting the data or instructions from an input device, computer processes the data and changes it into information with the help of processor or CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU is the processing device of a computer. It is also known as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all the calculations and processes data into information. Output device. The result or information that comes after processing the instructions is called output. The devices that help us in getting and viewing the output are called output devices. Some basic output devices are monitor. A monitor is an output device which is used to display the output on its screen. Information displayed on the monitor is also known as soft copy. Printer. A printer is an output device which is used to give output on a paper called printout. The information that we get as a printout on the paper is called hard copy. Speakers. Speakers are the most common output device. They are used to give output in the form of sound. You can listen to music and other sounds played on the computer using the speakers. Storage devices. Storage allows you to save your work for future use. A computer can store your work in different storage devices. Some basic storage devices are hard disk. A hard disk is the main storage device in a computer that stores large amount of data and information at a very fast speed. CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read-only memory. It is also used to store data. It is circular in shape. DVD. DVD stands for digital video disc. It is similar to a CD in shape but has a larger storage capacity. Pen drive. A pen drive is a small removable data storage device which is used to store data and information. It is also known as flash drive. Software. A program is a set of instructions. A software is a set of programs that tells the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular task. You cannot touch the software. System and application are two types of software. System software. System software coordinates all the activities in a computer. Operating system, OS, is the most commonly used system software. It is the first software which is installed on the computer. Some famous operating system software are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Application software. Application software helps you in doing some specific type of work. For example, we use Tux Paint to make drawings, Word to create text, document, and PowerPoint to make presentations.